Yeah, welcome back, Lumberjack, Yeah, the recipe for today, we have a foodie mango and some saltfish. So I call it mango dog. So the recipe I go nice. So watch till the end, like, share. Yeah, it's a recipe I go nice, mango dog. Let's make mango dog. Yes, my peeps, see it there? Let's make mango dog. Yes. Yeah, all my ingredients here. See the mango, saltfish, plantain, caramel dumpling, onion, pepper, garlic, sweet pepper, and scallion. So, going to make mango dog. Yeah, this recipe is going nice, no? And delicious. Yeah, this a mango dog go nice. It has some boiled carrot, boiled plantain, caramel dumpling, and saltfish, And we have a mango, so you call it mango dog. It a go nice, man. Delicious. Lumberjack cooking. Remember, it's a third mango if you use not the right mango, so you know that. Mango there, see the carrot there, pepper, onion and garlic and pepper, scallion cut up together. See saltfish. Remember mango dog recipe go nice, Yeah man, Jamaican cooking it lumberjack, yeah man. Yeah, yeah, remember the recipe, a mango dog, man. It's go nice, man. I tell you, yeah man. Yeah. Yeah, mango dog ready, Yeah man. Mm-hmm. Delicious, Yeah, dinner time. Mango dog ready, Yeah, man. Delicious. Eat.